Howdy, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to carve a pumpkin without a knife. For this project, you'll be needing a pumpkin, black paint, brushes, and the ultimate glow-in-the-dark paint. You will also need white paint. This is the pumpkin I selected. Now, let's start by painting it black. Now that the pumpkin is painted completely in black, for best results, we must apply white acrylic paint before applying the ultimate glow-in-the-dark paint so that we can design our jack-o'-lantern. The reason why I decided to do two colors in contrast, black and white, is because you can get the Frankenstein effect. Now with some black paint and a small paintbrush, we can refine the design of the jack-o'-lantern. I think I like it this way. Now, I'm going to apply the ultimate glow-in-the-dark paint. Now that we have applied 2 layers of the ultimate glow-in-the-dark paint, wait for the sun to go down to see our spooktacular jack-o'-lantern come to life. Thank you so much for watching, and happy Halloween!